Don't paint a masterpiece. I know, that sounds a little strange. But when we set out our easel and decide that a painting has to be something special, we've already added so much pressure before we've even begun. And that pressure changes how we paint. We start to hold back, we try to control everything, and we stop taking chances. Even the artists we admire the most, the ones we think of as masters, they didn't create masterpieces every time they picked up a brush. They had paintings that didn't work, paintings that went way wrong, paintings they painted over or set aside. That's part of life as an artist. That's how you learn, and that's how you grow. So instead of sitting down to paint a masterpiece, be willing to take chances. Be willing to try something new, even if you're not sure how it's going to turn out. Be willing to make mistakes, because that's where you learn the most. And be willing to toss it if you need to. Start over, paint over it, or just set it aside. It's just paint. It's just a canvas. Nothing about it is too precious to explore. And when you give yourself that kind of freedom, your paintings start to open up. You start to respond more instead of trying to control everything. You might even find that the paintings you didn't plan to be anything special are the ones that mean the most. So let yourself explore. Let yourself play a little and just paint.